Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how you can make $100,000 or more in window cleaning with no experience. So you really can make $100,000 or more a year in window cleaning with no experience. I know that might be hard to believe, but it's true. If you're interested in starting a window cleaning business, there's not a lot that you have to learn. There's just some basics. Probably the biggest basic of all is just the squeegee technique in terms of after you wash the window, getting the water off so that you're not having any streaks and that you're detailing the window and cleaning the window thoroughly so that the customer is happy with the job. And that's pretty much it. All the other things that you need to know is mostly like just business in general. That is something that happens with every business. There's lots of aspects to running a business, but it's not complicated. I know it can feel overwhelming when you're first starting a business for the very first time. You've never had a business before, but don't let that stop you from starting a business. A lot of the things people just learn along the way, and if you can just have that initial momentum to just say, you know what, I'm going to just give it a go and see what happens. And that's the kind of attitude you need to have, and don't worry about all the details. Otherwise, you'll probably never get started if you're just too worried about, how do I start a business? How do I get a business license? And how do I do my, DBA, get my business name? Or what do I need to do to get my business account? Do I need any special licensing? What about taxes? All sorts of questions that you might have. There's answers to those questions, and it's really not that complicated. There's tons of people in every city who are in business, and if it was that complicated, nobody would be in business. So just have a confidence in knowing that you can do it. If everybody else can do it, so can you. And the biggest thing for you is to just learn about window cleaning and the things you need to know, the things you need to have, and follow other people's examples, people who've already done it, like myself. I'm here to mentor anybody who is interested in window cleaning, and I'm teaching everything from start to finish, how to become a window cleaner, how to start your window cleaning business, and everything you need to know. So if you're interested in becoming a window cleaner, today's your lucky day. You found a mentor who's going to teach you everything, and I'm teaching everything here on my YouTube channel and on windowcleaningdude.com, which is my website, which also has all my videos and has how to do things. I talk about how to use the equipment, where to buy the equipment, everything business-wise in terms of getting your DBA, your business license, taxes, what I do for taxes. I keep it all really simple, and it really is a simple business. And it's simple things to learn, and all you have to do is just take the time and read and watch the videos and try it out, and you'll be in business. So even though you have no experience window cleaning, you're going to get that experience really quick by just watching the videos, reading the content on windowcleaningdude.com, buying the suggested equipment, trying it out on your own house, your parents' house, your family's house, your friend's house, wherever you can think of. Go try it out, and you'll have your basic experience right away, and then you're ready to go out and start window cleaning customers' homes. And so it can be a little intimidating going to your first customer's home, but if you've practiced on a few places of friends and family before you go, then just try to think of that first customer as friends or family, and you're just doing the same thing that you did before. And as you watch the videos that I present and read the information, and if you follow the things that I'm teaching, then you should have a huge hand up in terms of being able to start that first job for a customer and feel like you're a semi-professional. And at that point you kind of are, because if you're going to windowcleaningdude.com, you're watching the videos, you're reading the content, you're buying the professional grade equipment, you're eliminating so many things right there just from doing that alone. You've gained a lot of experience and knowledge and understanding just from watching those videos, reading the content, and then by purchasing professional grade equipment and practicing on your own place and friends and family's places. You're basically in business. Now it's just a matter of just going and doing it for real and getting paid money. Because with all the things that I've put on the site, I mean, that's everything I've learned over the last 10 years. And some of that stuff I didn't know when I first started. I mean, when I first started, I knew nothing. And yet I was able to go into business. So imagine what you're going to be able to do with all this knowledge. You're leapfrogging someone else who has no knowledge of this website or any of this content. So you're already going to be like a semi-professional window cleaner just by going through all this content and trying it out and getting started. So have confidence in that, and then when you show up at your first customer's place, just follow the steps that I outlined, and when you follow those steps and stick to those steps, you're basically following a business model that has succeeded and makes money, and so can you. So you're just mimicking the steps. You're just following me, your mentor, and making money following those steps. I just want to encourage you that you don't need to have experience, you don't need to have some specialty license. You just need to watch the videos, read the content, buy the professional grade stuff, go try it out, and then go land your first job and start cleaning. And it really is that simple. Your customer is going to have no idea as to how good of a window cleaner you are or are not. Hopefully you'll be doing okay starting out, and the more you clean, the better you get. And after you've cleaned several houses, I mean, you're going to look back to your first house and think, wow, I did so bad on that first house. And this is like maybe 10 houses later, you're thinking, man, I'm doing a lot better. And then imagine several months from now, you're going to, laugh at how you used to clean. And you're going to be so much better that at that point you're going to realize, yeah, I really am a professional window cleaner. And then it's just, you're going to be focused not on technique anymore, because in several months from now, if you're cleaning for several months straight, your technique's going to be down pretty good. And of course, you always want to focus on trying to improve everything, your technique, your process, your time, all that sort of thing. But you're going to be focused more on like making sure the customer's happy, getting referrals, landing more jobs, filling in your schedule, and but as long as you're just constantly trying to improve your business, then you're going to end up being the best window cleaner in your area. You're going to build a reputation, and it'll get to the point where you will no longer be knocking doors. You will just either have referrals, repeat customers, or your marketing, which I teach, will be working for you so that you don't have to knock doors. When I first started off window cleaning, I started knocking doors, and eventually I didn't knock doors anymore. So got to the point where I just took phone calls and lined up jobs. So you can get there, and that will come with time. And even though you have no experience in any of that, it will all come, and you just have to believe and go out there and start cleaning. All right, well, thank you for joining me in this episode. I hope that you got something out of it, and please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and leave any comments down below if there's anything you need to know more that I haven't covered. And I will see you in the next episode.